my piano channel. This is my first video, and it's gonna be teaching you how to make a really simple version of for Elise on the piano. And all you need for this lesson is just to know your notes and to be able to switch pretty moderate, not that fast, but just know how to switch. So you just need to know your notes and, you know, switch pretty good. So here we go. First you're gonna go on this lesson. You don't need your left hand. I'm gonna do another moderate version, like an intermediate version, but that's gonna be with the left hand. But on this version, it's just the right hand. So what we're gonna play is E, then D sharp. Keep doing it maybe about 4 times. Stop on E, B, D, C, A. So let's do it again on slow tempo. Oh, it's 3 times, not 4 times. So that's the first part. The other part, you can go with your left hand if you want. If you don't, then just go C, E, A, B. So C, E, A, B. And then E, G sharp, B, C. So I'll repeat that again. E, G sharp, B, and C. And all together it sounds. And then you hit E. It just repeats. But this time you press E, C, B, A. So first it's gonna be with second time. Sorry, second time. Third time again. And then 4th time. So at the end it's gonna sound like this. I'm gonna go a little bit faster because it's long. So on the 4th one, you're gonna go on B, C, D, E. So B, C, D, E. G, F, E, D. So it'll be going down, like this goes down, and this goes down as well. But when you go down by 3, and then you move back, go by 3. Go back, and then go down. So it's gonna go. And then you press 1 on every break. So you go. Press it, move back. Press it, go back. So then it's gonna sound like this. And then you're gonna do E, 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 E. So this is be these 3 E's. 1, 2, 3. So you go 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, and then you go. Repeat 1. Repeat in the beginning, I mean. Then. Oh. But instead of doing E, you do D. you want to make it sound more dramatic, you can just do. You can add another A over here. You can do it over here. So all together your sound, I will do it a little bit faster. So all together will be. That's it for a simple version of for Elise. You might didn't hear the super fast version in the middle of the song or at the end. That's because it's a simple version. But on the modern one, that would be included. So I guess if this one gets enough, maybe if it's fine, if I guess it gets good feedback, then I'll just do the modern one as well. And if I wait a long time, then I'll just do it anyways. So I'll see you in the next video. Like, subscribe. And thank you for watching here at Piano Max. Bye.